Hey everyone, welcome back. Today on Will It Laser is leather gloves. I'm pretty sure they'll be fine, but yeah, we're gonna try it out. So if you haven't seen it, I made the cross pointer video that when the dot hits the center, it's in focus. So I wired it up, and I have these two buttons on my controller, and we just hit up and down to the little dots in focus, and it doesn't matter what it is, leather, 3mm, an orange, doesn't matter, it's in focus right now. So I'm just going to do my logo on these, and we shall see how it goes. I'm going to be running, let's say, 300 millimeters a second at, I don't know, 25% power. Alright, let's see how it goes. Thanks for coming by. If you want to see, let me know. Have a good one, guys. Okie dokie, it worked, but it smells horrible. So now you know, these are not your gloves. It works really good. Yeah, look at that. Alright, thanks for coming out, guys. My battery's almost dead. So have a great day, and stay tuned for more.